Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. I am here because I have decided to cut my hair. You've seen it in the title. If you're seeing it in the title, I have probably gone through with it by the time you watch this. As of right now, I'm still not 100% sure I want to do this. This is the shortest my hair has ever been, I think. And I already feel like it's too short, but there is just something within me that wants to try maybe shoulder length hair. I think it might look really cute. I have been on this journey of kind of rediscovering my hair, as it has changed quite a bit over the past couple of years. Of course, I went through some hair loss, then regrowth, and then loss and regrowth cycles just keep happening. And then my hair has recently started to go more wavy. I have abandoned the Curly-Go method, more or less, for the past couple of months because I didn't like the results I was getting compared to the effort I was putting in. But what I notice right now is that my hair has waves. Like, the top is straight, then it's wavy, and then it's straight again. Altogether, I have kind of been fed up with my hair. I've been wearing it up a lot. And if I'm completely honest, I have been intrigued for a while by the kind of longish bob look and how it might look on me. I think it might look really nice if it turns out the way I hope. Because one thing I'm really scared of is that it will just be limp and short. Because my hair is really thin, but it is thin and fluffy. Although the fluffiness is mostly on the bottom, so I just really, I don't know what to expect. It might be great, it might be absolutely horrendous, and I might regret it a lot, and I'm really scared that's gonna happen. Okay, before we get started though, this video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. I'm very glad they're sponsoring today's video because I absolutely love working with them. Ana Luisa are my favorite jewelry brand, and I am wearing their jewelry today. I'm wearing this beautiful set of necklaces that are perfect for summer. I also have the matching bracelets with these beautiful green beads and a pearl. The necklace has pearl as well, and then the green beads here, and this ring. I have been wearing this so much. I take it off before renovations, but when I'm not working I love wearing this ring. It goes so well with my engagement ring, which is that one, and this one is the new one from Ana Luisa, and I just, this is perfect for stacking. It goes with everything. I am just in love with this set. I have worn this loads. I always like to go a bit more colorful in summer, and since this is green, it goes with so many of my outfits, which I have finally unpacked and I can wear normal clothing again. Ana Luisa make sustainable jewelry. They use recycled gold, sustainable materials, and they are a carbon neutral company. I am all for that, and they have always made it a priority to be sustainable and as eco-friendly as possible, which is fantastic. They are my go-to staple brand for jewelry, and I have a discount code for you guys that you can use now. If you use code Loepsie10, you get 10% off of your purchase, and their pieces start at only $39, so there really is something there for every budget. Definitely be sure to check that out. I will have a link to their website in the description box below. Don't forget to use Loepsie10 for 10% off. They make gorgeous, elegant, dainty, versatile, super versatile jewelry, so definitely be sure to check that out. Huge thanks to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I'm stalling. Oh guys, what if I hate it? It grows back, probably. Oh, this feels like that first cutting my bangs video all over again. I'm gonna grab some tools. I'm gonna set you up so that you can see me from front and the back, so that you know what's going on before I do. And let's just do it. The problem is, I don't know what I'm doing. I have been cutting my own hair since I was a teenager, but I've never cut it that short, and I'm not sure which technique to use for this. Let me start with the parting. Let me start by I said I was gonna grab my tools. I literally grabbed one elastic. I need a comb for this because we need precision. These are the combs I was able to find. Not the one I was looking for, but the other one is probably still packed away in a box somewhere. I'm thinking I should probably just do the ponytail method and then try and straighten out the front. Is that a grey hair? Is that grey or just very blonde? No, that's a grey hair. I used to have more grey hairs, which is weird, but I developed these grey hairs. I'm fairly sure it must have been stress-induced when the pandemic happened and my rats got sick and they started passing away. and they developed all kinds of illnesses, and it was just a very overwhelming time, and my hair actually went grey. I had a bunch of greys around the front here and my bangs, and they actually went away after all of that passed. They went away again, but now I see that there are a couple ones still remaining. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start slow. I'm just gonna cut off a little bit at first, and then cut off a little bit more and more and more, and see what I'm comfortable with. That sounds like a good idea. So I'm gonna start with a low ponytail. I also need to trim my bangs, by the way, so I think we're gonna do that after, possibly. So I have a low ponytail now. I'm gonna gently pull it down, make sure to keep my head straight, secure it a little bit more tightly. There is a lot of taper in my hair, which is also one of the reasons why I'm thinking it's probably better if I cut it. There are a couple pretty clear lines in my hair where some of the hair stopped growing. One of them is more or less at the length where my hair is at now. Anytime I let it grow beyond that, the ends get really thin and just don't look that good anymore. But my fullest line of hair is right around shoulder length. So I think if I cut my hair to that length, it might look thicker too. So I'm just pulling my hair down. I could probably cut way more to start with, but we're starting slow, right? So this is coming off. I don't know. Just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. This is cute enough. Let's go shorter. My hair. You know, the thing with shorter hair and cutting it yourself, or the problem here, is that shorter hair needs much more precision. So you probably want it to be a little bit more straight than if it's really long, it doesn't show up that much. Okay, so let's take this much off then. It's about the same amount, I think. Another thing I am worried about a little bit, which I know is silly, but that's my issue. I'm a little bit worried. Like, I tend to attach a lot of femininity, I guess, to having long hair. That went so fast! I thought it would be much longer. I think I should I stop? Should I move on to a different method? I'm kind of looking at myself in the viewfinder from the back. I need to shorten it more. That's for sure, but I think I might try a different technique now. How I usually cut my hair. This does cut it into a V, and I'm thinking I want to go for more of a blunt shape in the back. I have a friend coming over later today. If it's horrible, I'll just have her cut the back straight. No, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. I just need to tilt I need to keep my head straight, I think, for this. Oh, this whole method doesn't even work anymore. This is gonna be too short. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten it out, I think, now, so that it's all the same length as the bits in the back. Or at least kind of. How does this even work? How do you cut hair into a bob? I should have researched that before I started just doing it. Oh, I hope I don't end up on Brad Mondo again. Do I like it? I like it. I think I like it. I do think I should go a little bit shorter still. This is a bit longer than I was aiming for, but it does look so much thicker already. How short do I go? Yeah, let's go a little shorter. I'm gonna try the chin method again. I think it works for the front. I have never seen myself like this. Never. I think if I'm doing it, I might as well go shorter. I am recording, right? Oh, thank God. I don't want to have to make 2 ponytails or something, because I'm afraid I won't be able to actually even them out if I do that. You know, I'm afraid one side is going to end up longer than the other. But I might have to, because I don't know how else I would cut it even shorter now. Okay, let's do 2 ponytails, see what happens. Okay, but when this is done though, I am gonna have the cutest ponytails. I love the look of short hair with pigtails. I need to close the door because everywhere I go, construction noise follows me around. Sliding down. Is it asymmetrical already, or did I just tie them differently? Okay, let's just cut even more. Oh man, how much? Just a little? That much? Oh. I can't really see what I'm doing because it's so short now, I can't hold it up to my face anymore. And after this, I'm gonna stop and have a good look because I can already see this going too far and cutting it too short. That's different. That is very different. Oh, I don't know whether I should go shorter or not. I think first, before I do that, I'm just gonna trim my bangs and see what that does because those are way too long as well and overdue a trim. And that is something I'm no longer nervous about because I've been doing that for a long time now. I feel like I look like a different person. And I also think I should go shorter. I think I should go shorter. It looks like it's already growing out. But first, let me grab a mirror and see how it looks like from the back so that I can maybe adjust the angle at which I'm cutting. Yeah, okay, it's cute and I'm gonna love it when it looks like this in 2 or 3 months maybe. But for now, for the initial chop, I think we need to go shorter. But I think the end is actually the, I was gonna say hem. The hem is pretty even. The cut is pretty straight, I'm fairly happy with that. So I think I'm gonna stick to my technique and just do the 2 ponytails again. I am actually having a lot of fun doing this, who would have thought? I used to often preface these videos by saying you might not want to try this at home or maybe if you're young or something, but you know what? I have changed my opinion on that and I say do it. If you want to cut your own hair and if you want to do something more drastic with it, not that this is drastic, I mean, alright, I could have gone for a pixie cut, which I still stand by, I'm never going to do that. But if you want to cut your hair into whatever it is that you want to cut your hair into, do it. It's not that hard to do and it's a lot of fun. And if you mess it up, you can always get it fixed. And if you can't get it fixed, then it'll grow out. A little bit more, I think a little bit more will be good. And then I'm gonna stop. I hope I'll still be able to wear my hair up because it's gonna be a really hot week this week. I think we're going up to 30 degrees. I think I'm gonna have really cute brush outs with this length. And I also think I should maybe, ooh, it's choppy here. Choppiness alert, this is not good. Oops. Something went wrong there in the end. Let's see if I can fix that. What happened? Oh no, oh no, have I ruined it now? It was going so well. It was going so well. It's not straight in the back because I cut it in the front and I think that's the problem I'm having here. I want it to be shorter in the back and maybe longer in the front. So I need to do a back ponytail again, but not cut it too much shorter in the front. This is hard. Oh yes, oh yeah, much better, much better. Maybe if I do that one more time, even shorter, and then I can do some layers in the front. I like the length in the back, I like how it blends into the sides, and I'm going to do a bit more layering around the front. Here, these bits are already, these were already much shorter than the rest of my hair anyway, so might as well just redo that. Although I want to be careful not to make this hairstyle too round, if that makes sense. Should I go shorter? I don't know when to stop. I am very happy to see the fullness. It is not limp. I don't think personally it looks too limp. I think it looks cute, and I think after I wash it and it kind of realizes that it's shorter now, it might poof out even more. And I'm excited to see what this will do to the curls. I think it might just bounce up even more, so I'm probably gonna stop cutting now and roll with it the way it is. I feel like this side is just a little bit longer. I don't want to cut too much. I don't want to cut too much. Maybe just a little bit shorter. Let's go from the back. It's becoming very hard to reach the back of my head, but like 2 more centimeters, I think this is now. One more time, maybe? Oh, I can't stop now, can I? Alright, that's it, I'm stopping. I definitely don't want to go any shorter than this. Wow, okay, I actually think I might have liked it a little bit better at the previous length. I should have stopped before this step, but for the full effect, I think this is gonna be it. Yep, this is it. Okay, I'm stopping. Oh my gosh, the sink is absolutely full of hair. I now officially have short hair, at least in my book. This is absolutely short hair, and I can't believe it. When I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna have that moment where I forgot that I cut my hair, and then I look in the mirror, and then I will know my genuine reaction. I'll have to work with it, play with it, wash it, curl it, everything, see how it acts. Oh, I love it. I think it's really cute. I'm sure it's gonna look great when it's curled with those looking like big waves, but I'm most curious to see what this will look like when it dries naturally. So yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna stop blabbering because I've been going on and on and on. This is it. Oh, I hope you like it. Not that it really matters because I have to live with it, but you're gonna see me like this for the next couple of months or years if I end up loving it like I did my bangs. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being here with me on this nerve-wracking moment. I'm not sure I would have done it if I hadn't set up the camera. So you guys pulled me over that line. Thank you for that. I'm gonna be back next week with another renovation update. We're doing great things in the house. The rooms are starting to take shape, but I just needed a little break from vlogging this week. So I'll be back next week with another renovation vlog, moving vlog. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa with their beautiful jewelry with the link down below, and use my code Loepsie10 for 10% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again next week. Bye!